Dawn huma Belle u Sebastien, żewġ irġiel li għamlu għall-missjoni ta' ħajjithom li jippromuovu lil Malta u l-għawdex u l-kultura rikka li għandna mat-turisti kollha li jżuru pajjiżna. Il-Ministru tat-Turiżmu
Kif intom all right?
rada l-isforz u ħaddanhom miegħu u minn dakinhar dejjem kienu hemm għalih. Għalhekk illum b'aktar u aktar sforz qed ikomplu jikkulturaw u jgħalmu lit-turist li jżur pajjiżna.
Malta, a Christian island. We have more than 365 churches, each with a saint, 2 or 3 in them. And today we will look for new saints in the Valletta roads. Let's go. What happened? There's the first saint. What is it? It's an Ifga. Come on, up, go up. Let me explain. In Malta, we have a lot of saints. Saint Peter, Saint Paul, Saint Mary. And today you will be one saint.
Which saint?
Yes. You will be. Please.
Derek حالتي يصقعك حالتها. No,
Pretend.
Pretend?
Yes. And you are Sunblock.
Sunblock?
Yes, a very famous. It's a very famous saint.
Already.
Yeah. Do you know the Maltese saints? Santos. Like Saint Peter, Saint San Pedro, No. Saint Paul, Saint Mary.
Santo de Colombia?
No. Malta.
Ah, okay.
Come, we make you saint. You are son or ot?
Okay.
Say it, son or ot?
San
Or ot?
Orient?
Yes, something like that. It's the patron saint for all the sleepy people. Okay, we're here in Valletta looking for saints. And I'm looking for my partner, Belle. Belle? I'm a saint. Yes, which one? San Ergabo. Come on. So now you're a semi-saint. This is a police ticket, okay? So go up. Just hold it like this. Angry. Be angry. Yes. We'll wait, because we have a... Yes, very good. Look over there. And you know the name of the saint?
No.
It's Sanwa Khalulek.
Sanwa Halulek?
Very good. Please, saint, pray for us. Pray for us. You know, this is the patron saint of all policemen and wardens and those who get tickets. Thank you. Some very nice pictures of the saints on the Hafna Santi. I don't know where my partner Sebastien is. Oh! What are you doing? No, it's another saint. Sanam el Pipio. Unbelievable.